Why do left and right hand props have different prop walk effects? Imagine you're steering your boat into a tight dock or trying to make a quick turn in a narrow channel. Have you ever noticed how the boat seems to drift or swing more to one side? That's often due to something called prop walk. Prop walk is the sideways push a boat's stern experiences when the engine is running. It happens because the propeller is not just spinning straight. It's pushing water in a way that causes the boat to move sideways. Now the direction the propeller spins, either clockwise or counterclockwise, plays a big role in how much and which way the boat will drift. Propellers are classified as either right-hand or left-hand based on their rotation. A right-hand propeller turns clockwise when viewed from the back of the boat. A left-hand propeller turns counterclockwise. When a boat with a right-hand propeller moves forward, the stern tends to push to the right or starboard. When it reverses, the stern drifts to the left or port. Conversely, a left-hand propeller causes the stern to push to port when moving forward and to starboard when reversing. This opposite behavior is because of how the blades interact with the water during their rotation. The reason for these differences comes down to the way the blades are angled and how they move through the water. The blades on a right-hand propeller create more thrust on the upstroke side when spinning clockwise. This causes the stern to be pushed sideways toward the starboard side. On the other hand, a left-hand propeller's blades generate more thrust on the upstroke when spinning counterclockwise, pushing the stern toward port. The boat's hull shape and the angle of the propeller shaft also influence how much the boat drifts. Knowing which type of propeller you have helps you predict how your boat will behave. For example, if you have a right-hand propeller and want to back into a slip, you can use the prop walk to your advantage by applying power in reverse. The stern will naturally swing to port, making it easier to align your boat. If you have a left-hand propeller, reversing will swing the stern to starboard. This knowledge helps in tight spaces and docking situations, giving you better control. Understanding prop walk effects is also useful for navigating around obstacles or making precise turns. If you know your boat's propeller turns clockwise, you can anticipate the stern's movement and plan your maneuvers accordingly. This is especially important on single-engine boats, where the prop walk can be more noticeable because there is no second propeller to balance the effect. In short, the difference in prop walk effects between left and right-hand props comes down to the direction of rotation and how the blades push water. Recognizing this helps you handle your boat more confidently and safely, especially in tricky situations.